Topic 7. Understand or explain inequalities. So here we have worded questions for inequalities, and we just want to try to understand what they mean and what the inequality looks like. Okay, so for question number 1, we have Hamdan wants to practice the piano for at least 45 minutes. So this is the key word here, at least 45 minutes. The question says, what inequality represents this situation? So at least 45 minutes, what does this mean? If you have the words at least, for example, if in the UAE you have to be at least 18 years old to drive, this means you have to be 18 or more than or equal to 18. Because if you are 18, you can drive. If you are 19, you can drive. So at least 18 means 18 or more than or equal to 18. So if Hamdan wants to practice the piano for at least 45 minutes, this means more than or equal to 45 minutes. Okay? More than or equal to 45 minutes. Because he can spend 45 minutes practicing the piano or more. 46, 47, 48. Okay? So this is what at least 45 minutes means. 45 or more. So the inequality, we can say for the time he practices the piano, we can say T for the time he practices the piano is more than or equal to 45 minutes. At least 45 minutes. Question number 2. Hamdan wants to purchase ice cream. He wants to buy ice cream for him and his friends. He has 100 dirhams and each ice cream costs 12 dirhams. The inequality 12C is less than 102 represents this relationship. Explain how many ice creams Hamdan can buy. So let's see this. We have the inequality 12C is less than 102. If we are solving this, divide by 12, divide by 12, we will get C is less than 8.5. Okay, so Hamdan can buy less than 8.5 ice creams, but you can't buy 8.5 ice creams, so the maximum he can buy, the most he can buy, is 8 ice creams. So if we are explaining this, we have to write in words. We have to say Hamdan can buy 8 ice creams. Okay, that's the most he can buy. If he buys 9, it's too much. So 8 is the most he can buy. Okay. Question number 3. Abdullah has 75 dirhams. Each DVD costs 12 dirhams 50. How many DVDs can he buy if he spends no more than 75 dirhams? No more than 75 dirhams. So no more means less. Not more than 75 means less than 75. But can he spend 75? Yes, because 75 is not more than 75. He can spend up to 75 dirhams. So less than or equal to 75. Okay? Less than or equal to 75. Because he can spend 73, 74 and 75 dirhams. He can't spend more. Okay, so here we have each DVD costs 12 dirhams 50. Each DVD. But we don't know how many DVDs. So I'm going to say 1250 times x, or 1250 x. If I want to solve this, divide by 1250, divide by 1250. We have x is less than or equal to 6. So Abdullah can buy less than or equal to 6 DVDs. He can still buy 6 DVDs and spend 75 dirhams, but he can't buy more than 6 DVDs. He can only buy up to 6 DVDs. Okay. Question number 4. Match the boxes on the left to the answer on the right. So let's look at question A, option A, two-step equation. If we remember from before, an equation has an equal sign. So this one has an equal sign, and this one has an equal sign. Two-step equation. It takes 2 steps to answer the question. Well, this is very long. I think it will take more than 2 steps. So this is the two-step equation. Okay. The math project requires at least 4 lessons. So at least 4 means 4 or more. More than or equal to 4. At least. Okay. At least 4. Just like I said before, if you have to be at least 18 years old to drive in the UAE, it means 18 or more. So at least 4 lessons means more than or equal to 4. So if we look on our answers, this is what we are looking for. So the answer is this one. Okay. C, multi-step equation. So it takes many steps to answer the equation, and we just said equation has an equals. So this is our answer. And the last one, in an elevator, the maximum load, the most is 900 kilograms. It cannot be more. It must be less than or equals to 900. Less than or equal to 900. You can be 898, 899, and 900 kilograms, but not more. The maximum is 900. So 900 or less than or equal to 900. And that's what we have here. Okay, so the answer is this one.